All right, so we got to change out of a condenser unit. And I'm gonna put a Goodman 5-ton condenser unit and swap out the piston. Put a 410A piston on there. So what happened is the unit was completely flat of refrigerant and it's leaking bad out that king valve right there. I hope that's the only leak. All right, so I'm moving this condenser. Got everything disconnected. I was hoping all I had to do was go up there and change the piston out. And I'm gonna flush this out with RX11 also, but I guess this they filter dry right here. This is about a 96 model unit. They got this one on the outside. Cause I was thinking if they got another filter dryer up there, I'm gonna have to take my torches up there, but we'll see. All right. Got a 410A piston. I'll change the piston out. It's an R22 piston in here. Okay. See that? So I got a filter dryer in here. That's why I do not like to put my filter dryer in the attic. Now I gotta bring my torch set up here and cut that out. So that filter one up here, all I would need is a wrench. And I'll be done. Alright, that is the piston. In your bag comes a little spring. So better use that to pull it up. Washer on. Should have put a little nylon on here. So hopefully I got enough slack. I'm just gonna cut this out. Oh, we're rocking and rolling. I come way up here with the torch set. I say, why you just won't come up here? Put the filter dry back up here. The drillman installed their filters inside the unit. See, I ain't got enough slack. I've been ducking up under here. Alright. It's the real world here, folks. Everything ain't always pretty. I gotta get this. Wash it. Oh, so I want to go up over this pipe right here. That'll give me the room I need. Reaming this down so my shavings will fall out that way. If you do it too much, you will split it. You worry about that little nipple right there. As long as it don't leak. Homeowner not worried about a little nipple. Technician might get on you. So these come with the piston come with a little sticker what says a 088. So it's good to what his model number is right here. You just put this right here. So that's so a technician come behind you, they'll know it's been converted. All right, so I got everything welded in. I'm doing a leak search on it now. I did initial leak search with about 25 PSI. Now I have about 188. I'm gonna hold this one probably about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put about 300 PSI in there and see if it holds. But this Saturday, I'm in no rush, so I'm gonna do a extensive leak search on here. I told you that last week it was leaking so bad at the king valve, even if you back seated or front seated, it would still leak out. I'm talking about, it seemed like the whole valve thing was probably messed up. So I don't think I got a leak in the evaporator, but I'm not 1000% sure. What I could have did also was maybe pinch this line or put me a little straighter stem in there and just leak search the evaporator itself before I only ordered the condenser. But I'm just hoping they just needed a condenser. But I told the homeowner, you know, I can't really tell for sure until I replace the condenser. And because the evaporator coil rated for 22 and 410, so the homeowner want to try this first, and they well aware we got to get evaporated, just got to get evaporated. So all right, so I got about 152, 153 in there. I mean, I'm sorry, 352. So that definitely should be enough to do a leak search on it. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna drop. All right, so as you can see, I pretty much got everything cleaned up. So it took probably about 10 minutes. So it's been holding at 152 for probably about, I'm sorry, 352 for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull a vacuum on it. I think we should be good to go. Kind of gambled on this one, but look like I dodged the bullet. So we'll go ahead and pull a vacuum on it. All right. 35 inch, I only had 32 in this fence right here, so I had to take out these fence posts. It's a lot cheaper, and these probably almost time to get replaced anyway. They was almost rotting, but it's a lot easier for me to, well, a lot cheaper for them. Instead of cutting these posts down or removing one of these posts, you know, we just took the pickets out. Some of them broke, but if you want to replace those or put the old ones back, some of them it can, but I would just get, I think about 7 new pickets and the 2x4. Yeah, just put a new 2x4 right here, but that gave me enough to roll it on through. Cause these posts in here good. Put concrete on the bottom, so yeah, run into that problem. Just, I think you should just take out the picks, roll it on through. You see, we still got this one because of the height. Yeah. All right, so we're just pulling the vacuum on this one. All right, so I'm just making sure all my connections are good and tight. Sometimes coming from the manufacturer, they'll come loose. To me, these Goodman units are good. I haven't had a problem with them. But the Lennox units, I'm telling you, they come with loose connections. So you gotta get your screwdriver and tighten them up. So I know everybody be talking about Goodman, but to me Goodman way better than Lennox. I have fewer problems with these, you know, than Goodman a good unit. I don't know why Goodman got a bad name, but it be mostly technicians talk bad about them for some reason. I don't know if they linked up with China or what, but people don't give Goodman a chance. Goodman's some good units though. Yeah, but all the connections are good and tight. They got 45s already on here. Got good access to the king valves and the Schrader valves. Can't stop no Goodman. This dog want to play. Want the ball? Let me throw that ball, don't you? You want that ball, don't you? About to take off. I had to tell the family to put them up when I was raising it in. He kept on coming back. Come on. Alright, anyway, I'm getting ready to wrap this one right here up. Been running for about 12 minutes right now. Pressure is probably about 130 over 348. 33 degrees superheat. About 10 degrees sub cooling. Gotta play with this wire sometime. Short in. About 10 degrees sub cooling though. Got an orifice in there, but all I did was release the charge, and everybody, thanks for watching. Think we good to go. Hey, HVAC people, you HVAC dog, huh? Where that ball go? Alright, we're gonna see if we can get this upstairs unit out of here next. But everybody, thanks for watching.